Our favorite homemade cornbread has golden brown edges and a moist and buttery center. Start by whisking 1 cup of flour with 1 cup of cornmeal, a 1/3 cup brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now for the wet ingredients, we need either 1 cup of milk or buttermilk. I've got buttermilk here. Then add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 1 large egg. Whisk everything together and then pour into the flour and cornmeal mixture. As you are mixing the batter, stir in 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Now set this batter aside for 10 to 15 minutes before baking it. In this time, it thickens and the leaveners get a head start, making the cornbread light and tender. We bake the cornbread in a preheated skillet. Simply heat, add a little oil, and then add the batter and smooth the top. Preheating the pan helps us get that crispy golden crust. Bake the cornbread until the center is firm, about 20 minutes. Now allow the cornbread to cool for 10 minutes before slicing. And that's it, perfectly tender, delicious, homemade cornbread. As always, you can find the full recipe on Inspired Taste. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.